Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your manual shift mode stops working. You try shifting gears manually but nothing happens. Then boom, the check engine light comes on and you scan the car to find code P0954. This means there's an intermittent issue in the auto shift manual mode circuit, which can lead to erratic shifting or complete failure of manual mode. Today we'll break down what P0954 means, where the key sensors are located and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0954? DTC P0954 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Circuit, Intermittent. This means the system has detected an unstable or inconsistent signal from the manual shift control circuit, usually due to a failing shift switch, loose wiring, or a malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0954. If your car has this code, you may experience manual shift mode working sporadically, transmission randomly switching between auto and manual unresponsive gear changes, check engine light or transmission warning light, car stuck in a single gear, limp mode, sensor and component locations, very important. To troubleshoot P0954, check these key components: gear shift selector switch, location, found inside the center console, attached to the gear shift lever, function, sends signals to the TCM when you activate manual mode, transmission control module, TCM, location, usually under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing, or behind the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifting and processes manual shift inputs, shift solenoids A, B, C, etc. Location, mounted inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Input and output speed sensors. Location, found on the transmission case, near the drive shaft. Function, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed to ensure smooth shifting. Wiring and ground connections. Location, runs from the gear selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function, ensures proper voltage flow to the shifting components. What causes P0954? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Loose or corroded wiring, causes an intermittent connection. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch, sends weak or broken signals to the TCM. 3. Malfunctioning TCM results in erratic shifting behavior. 4. Bad shift solenoids, can prevent smooth manual mode operation. 5. Weak battery or voltage issues, leads to unstable power flow. How to fix P0954? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check for unstable voltage readings. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose wires leading to the gear selector and TCM. Wiggle the wires while testing voltage to see if the signal drops. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Check battery voltage, should be 12.6V or higher. Clean any corroded ground connections to stabilize voltage. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any faulty solenoids. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and monitor shift behavior. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive the car to confirm that manual mode works correctly. Final words. If you're dealing with P0954, your manual shift mode signal is unstable, causing erratic shifting or manual mode failure. Fixing this issue early will restore smooth gear shifting and prevent further transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0774, Shift Solenoid E Performance. P0775, Pressure Control Solenoid B Malfunction. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.